Hi everyone, so today I'll be showing you guys all the stuff that I have that is Marie. So yeah, it's like sort of my collection. So all my Marie stuff are in this box, which I'm going to show you now. This huge Marie box. So yeah. So I'm just going to get started. So first one, I got this Marie the Cat deco tape. So yeah. Then I have this whole strip of stickers. Hold on. This whole strip of sticker. This strip of stickers. Sorry, I can't show you the full one because it doesn't fit in my camera. So yeah. Then I have lots of plushies. So I have this one in the kimono dress and has a ball chain. Then I have this one, which is carrying a school bag, which I think is so cute. Yeah. Then I have this headband. Okay, hold on. I think I'm gonna hold up the camera because you can't see. So I have this headband. Then I have this pair of like gloves thing. So yeah. Then I have this huge plushie. I have this plushie. I have this plushie. I have this plushie, which I love so much. Yep. Then I have another plushie. I've got lots of plushies, so yeah. Then I got this Marie calculator. I got this Marie pen. I got this Marie mirror. I've got this Marie keychain. I've got this Marie sticker. I've got this Marie keychain kind of plushie. So I got this Marie box and there's some stuff in there. I'm just going to open and there is it. So hold on. Hold on. Okay. And I have this Marie plushie. I have this Marie sticker and the card inside, which I made on my own. I have this pencil case, and let's see, I have this rubber band. This one, this keychain, this keychain, this roly thingy, this ruler, another keychain, this M clip. So yeah. Then I have this Marie stationery set. Then I have another Marie pencil case with all the stuff inside. I'm not going to take it out, if not the whole video will be really long. So yeah. I have this Marie folder and this Marie mask, which I made on my own. This Marie sand thing. This Marie pouch. And this Marie keychain thing. So yeah. And then I have another folder with Marie stickers inside. So yeah. So these are all the Marie stuff. I have lots of them, as you can see. So yeah, anyways, thanks for watching this video, and yeah, bye guys. Hope you guys like this video anyways. So yeah, bye.